Pag to, di mo pa alam.
Yung ano?
There are 30 cows in the field.
30.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
30 cows. 28 chickens. How many didn't ano? 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many did ano?
Yun lang yung
Ano nga?
tanong.
Didn't ano nga?
Yan nga lang. Kasi...
Kulang yung tanong mo. Hindi ako yan.
Wala ko dyan. One eternity later.
Didn't ano?
There are 30 cows in the field and 28 chickens. How many didn't? Hindi mo alam yan?
28
You didn't
Eh di
answer.
10.
Oh my god, you're so genius! Took you long enough. I'm so disappointed.
Ano sasagot?